This little stinker right here got her a ground mole, didn't you? Were you bad? What a good girl, though. Look at this thing. Get out. No, let him be. You didn't hurt him. He's just scared. Look how crazy these things are looking. Wow, these are crazy looking animals. Look at the little claws on the front. That is so crazy. Looks like an alien. Oh, you buddy, I'm not gonna let the dog get you. We'll take you up here and put you up here. Are you getting worked up over the ground mole? You're going inside. You're not allowed killing ground moles. No. It's all right, buddy. Now you get in there. We're gonna put him right back in here. There's a hole right there. He can get right down in there. There. Hey, who are you? Who is this? Get up here. Who is this girl? Alright, I came back outside to make sure this old boy was alright after I got the dog inside, and he looks like he's doing pretty good. Here's a ground mole hole over here. He's looking for one of these holes. I had to move him. He's gonna get run over down there by the road. Here, buddy. Looks like a ground mole hole right there, buddy. Look at his little tail. Here, I'll give you one more look at him here before he goes in. Come on, buddy. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you, buddy. Whoa, watch it, bud. You got big weird claws on you, buddy. Here you go. That's really cool. Later. There he goes. We're going back inside now.